the Betty and Jack Friedman Holistic Garden. It's actually started right now in 2018.
Yeah, that's good.
Here at Rice University, this garden is to support two things. To support my class, eBio 204, which is basically urban agriculture, and it's to support the student programs such as the Rice Urban Agriculture Club. We are growing veggies most organically, and these will then go to the serveries. We'll actually be selling them to the serveries, and that will help generate some income for the garden and for me to hire students to work in the garden.
So we have, I guess, something for everyone here. We have this A-frame garden here, so people in wheelchairs can come and get active. We have lots of different levels for children, people who are at different statures. We have a wall garden, which is cool for if you don't have that much space, you can still garden like on a wall. In addition to like all of our big beds, which is what people think about when they think about gardening, I think. So we want to have places where people can sit, where they can talk. Hopefully we can cook things out here, teach people how to use the stuff in the garden, because what good is food if we can't eat it together?
There's really nothing like this. Like being able to develop something this big, this concrete, something that's going to be part of Rice campus for such a long period of time is just something amazing, something that's really never been done before.